Traditional training methods, such as lecture-heavy, classroom-based programs, often struggle to fully engage learners. While they may deliver information, they don't always lead to meaningful learning or long-term retention. When training feels disconnected from real work or individual needs, the results can be underwhelming. This is where a more intentional and learner-centered approach becomes essential. Instructional design is a structured, intentional approach to creating learning experiences that are both effective and engaging. Rather than focusing solely on content delivery, instructional design centers on how people learn best. It aligns training with the needs of both learners and the organization, ensuring that learning is relevant, practical, and impactful. The primary goal of instructional design is to facilitate learning in a way that leads to meaningful outcomes. These outcomes might include building specific skills, applying knowledge in real-world contexts, improving collaboration, or strengthening problem-solving abilities. Instructional design ensures that training isn't just informative, but transformative. Instructional design can be applied to a wide range of learning experiences, including full courses, training programs, digital modules, job aids, and assessments. Whether the learning happens in person, online, or in a hybrid format, instructional design helps ensure that every component is intentional and aligned with learning goals. When organizations identify a need for training, HR professionals often turn to instructional design to guide the process. This may involve working with professional instructional designers or using established instructional design frameworks. In either case, the goal is the same: to create learning experiences that support employee development and organizational success. Instructional design includes a variety of interconnected activities. Designers select instructional strategies that align with learning goals, create engaging and interactive activities, incorporate multimedia elements when appropriate, and develop assessments to measure learning. Each component works together to support a cohesive learning experience. One of the strengths of instructional design is its focus on engagement. Rather than passive listening, learners are encouraged to interact, reflect, and apply what they're learning. This active approach increases understanding, improves retention, and helps learners transfer new knowledge and skills to their work. To guide the design process, instructional design relies on established frameworks. Models such as ADDIE and the Knowledge, Skills, and Abilities framework provide structure and consistency, helping designers move systematically from identifying needs to evaluating outcomes. These frameworks ensure learning is intentional, measurable, and aligned with goals. Instructional design offers a more intentional and effective approach to learning than traditional one-size-fits-all training methods. By focusing on engagement, relevance, and clearly defined outcomes, instructional design helps ensure learning experiences actually stick. When training is aligned with both employee needs and organizational goals, learners are better equipped to apply what they've learned in meaningful ways. At its core, instructional design is about creating learning that is purposeful, engaging, and results-driven.